Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and yes, I've had a parcel come today off of my good friend Nigel over at Nigel's modelling bench, folks. So I'm going to open it up and have a looky-loo. I already know what it is because last week Nigel was in the chat on the Friday Frolic show and he was watching me do me battle wagon. And he instantly suggested in the chat that a big Titanic funnel would look pretty damn cool on the side of it. So he's resin moulded me one. And yeah, look at this, folks. This is the absolute dogs, mate. It really is. I think he's got a vacuum pot or whatever up there and he does his resin moulds and that. But I'm really intrigued in your setup, mate, because it's given me a couple of ideas, even though I've got the printers. Yeah, I do like what I'm seeing here, mate. So yeah, look at this. This is the top bit that goes on top of the funnel. Let's just get that out of the bag. Well, when I first saw it, I thought it was the base, but it's not. It's actually the top. It goes the other way round, like that. Trim round the edges of this. That's the grill, and it parks itself on the top like that. See? And it will sit like that on the vehicle. And it is going on this bad boy. I'm just going to grab it. And this is what I've been building on the Friday Frolic shows with Fox. It is the battle wagon. And I've got a little squig thing that goes on the back there. And then the squig pult that goes on the back of that. So it's quite it's quite an oddball thing that I'm cobbling together. Some would say ruining, but anyway. It's going to have a little wooden deck coming out the top of that. And yeah, they'll slap it on like so.
Slap it on.
Now, being Orcs, they might put it at a jaunty angle. I don't know yet. I haven't decided and I haven't spoke to them. There's going to be various bits, wires and stuff like that, holding this thing as reasonably in place as it can be. And then that will go on top. And then I'm going to do bendy exhausts coming out the sides of it and the bottom of it, going into various areas of the vehicle where it's venting out the exhaust fume. So, yeah, I love it. It's going to fit, Nige. I said you I'd persuade it to fit, and it will. Can't thank you enough, mate, for this. It's a lovely gesture, mate, and it's going to be getting put to good use. Check out the Friday Frolic from the 19th of November 21, folks, and you'll see it getting shown off in the live stream there, and hopefully we can get it on the build by the end of that show. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of trimmage off air and a bit of smoothing off, ready for mounting it on the new base that it's going to go on. And yeah, I think it's going to look pretty damn good, Nige. So many thanks, mate. Top job. Thanks for watching, folks. Can you head over to Nigel's channel on YouTube, Nigel's Modelling Bench, and give him a nice little thumbs up and a subscription, just to say a thank you and a wave to him. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lot of videos that are coming up on me channel, peeps. So until then, bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share the love. Bye.